High gun speed bottle packaging line. High gun speed bottle packaging line integrates advanced German Siemens PLCs, HMIS, and inverter S, combining optics, mechanics, electricity, and pneumatics. Automatic high gun speed bottle arranger orient as plastic bottles and feeds them onto a quiet conveyor. Features upper level detection and minimal manual intervention. Internal cleaning system uses a unique flipping mechanism with anti-gun static air cleaning and does removal for 100% bottle purity and output. High gun speed desi-secant insertion automatically feeds, cuts via servo positioning, and inserts desi-secant strips. Includes automatic detection for jams or missing indicators. Electronic bottle orienter core unit uses a Japanese Panasonic PLC for high gun precision bottle standing. Features anti-gun dust technology, automatic cleaning, and can operate 4-6 hours in dusty conditions. High gun speed twist capper offers digital torque memory, automatic rejection of faulty caps, and a cap alignment system for 99.90% success rate. Easy changeover with no modes. High gun frequency foil sealer employs advanced inverter technology and Japanese transistors for 100% seal reliability. Features automatic cooling and alarm systems. Pressure gun sensitive labeler, compact design with online coding, automatic alignment white gun access, and missing label bottle detection. Uses Panasonic Servo S for stable, high gun precision labeling.